Guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our completed project on Daisy Avenue. For you first-time watchers, we had 2 subterranean garages. Each one of these units was a 2-car garage. As you can see here, we had to put a retaining wall because this used to go down. We had to remove the approach and pour a sidewalk, put this middle railing up. A lot of work converting these 2 400 square foot garages into studio ADUs. So we have our mini splits in the front because that's the only place to put it. 2 mini splits, water heater over there. There's a water heater around the corner for that unit on the right. But let me give you a walkthrough on these little bitty ADUs. So small kitchen, hang on a second here. Small kitchen that we have here. Refrigerator, stove, our mini split, our open area here, low ceilings because there's 3 stories above here. And remember, this was a subterranean garage. A nice small closet and a big full-size shower in this unit. So this is the first unit, and then we walk next door to the second unit, which is over here. And basically it emulates the other side. So small kitchen area, nice living room area. Again, a small closet, and let me turn the light on for you guys. And there I am. A nice full-size shower and a small bathroom. So guys, any questions for you investors out there about converting your existing space into ADUs on your multi-tenant properties, which is a smart thing to do. With the rates they are and the cost of properties these days, it's smarter to take that existing wasted space that you have and convert it into ADUs so you can have more rental income. So guys, any questions about building any processes of an ADU, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you guys have. Guys, thank you for watching your videos. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. DJ, the ADU Pro.